Well, friends, I have a favor to ask. I want to keep providing great value for you here and in the future. So I want to know what matters to you most. What do you want to learn the most? If I was to do another workshop, one of the live workshops, what would you want it to be on? Down below, I have a little survey, not even 2 minutes, because I know we hate doing surveys, myself included, but I want to keep providing you with things of really high value that keep you growing in your journey as an artist. So tell me, answer those 3 questions and tell me what you'd like to learn. Do you want, and if it's not there, write it in, there's space. Do you want something where it's more intuitive? Do you want to do a workshop on sunsets, sunrises in the abstract realm? Do you want it to be more of a seascape? And this is not done, but you know, it's the closest thing I had to show you or is there something completely different, you know? I want to know what I can do to keep you moving forward as an artist. It may not be a workshop in anything to do with painting. And if that's the case for you, then write it in, let me know, and I'll see what I can do.